Hey everyone, Aaron here, Fast Forward Race Cars. Hey, I want to do a quick video here of this 1981 Chevy truck that we're building in-house. We built the full chassis on this thing.
And here are some photos of the chassis off the jig before and after powder coating. And also too, we started putting the body on and a custom trans tunnel.
And we did the roll cage, we built the engine, and we did the complete turbo kit. Custom headers, cold side, custom intercoolers, and we're getting ready to do the wiring next. And this week we did the grill with the new trim, and we had to fabricate brackets for the AC, and we're running all custom lines for the AC. So this one's going to be done real soon, and we're going to do a follow-up video on the finished product. So stay tuned for that. Doing the final tune on base tune on this. I just got done taking it for a test drive, and what I do normally is I just I'll do a base tune on it. I'll make it run real clean, but we'll take it to the chassis dyno and we'll do the final tune on there and make it totally streetable, and also too we'll see what kind of power it makes. But Holley Fuel Injection, Holley EFI. We have a Holley Dominator system with this, and it also has Holley dash as well. This is mostly going to be street driven, so we built a 2x4 frame rail chassis on it with rack and pinion steering. I'd like to show out some of the details we did on this. We built the complete turbo kit for this engine, and we added this Hydro Boost, and it also has rack and pinion steering, which these two work together. So this system works really nice when you have engines that don't have a lot of vacuum, and it just makes a really nice stopping power too when you got a performance build like this. And the steering is really good. This custom Chromoly roll cage in it, and I just took it for a drive, and the thing runs awesome. But if you take a look, you can see how tight we bend these cages in these vehicles that we do. Everything is fully TIG welded. Again, this is Chromoly, and you can see how tight it is in with the body. And if you look from the front, you can see how symmetrical the A-pillar bars are. These bars here, we always make sure those are perfectly symmetrical. And that's how you know that you got a quality roll cage, when you see the cage tucked real tight, the bend symmetrical, and the welding spot on. I wanted to show you a little bit about these rear bars that come through the back of the body here. We do it this way on the back of the body because we want to be able to put the stock window in here. If we were to put it through the window, we'd have to put a Lexan window in here. We didn't want to do that because this is going to be a street truck, street build. So as you see, we went through the body. We will be able to put the glass window back in here, and it'll be just like factory. Final video on this 1981 square body truck here, and we're going to get ready here and we're going to take it for a ride. But before we do that, I'm going to explain to you what we did. Basically, we built this whole truck, turnkey build. Everything you see here was all hand fabricated right here in house in Fast Forward Race Cars. But it's a 460 cubic inch big block Chevy. Pretty mild motor because this is going to be driven on the street, but when you see us drive it, it's pretty radical for what it is. But it's going to be a street truck. He'll probably occasionally go to the strip with it, but we put air conditioning on it. I mean, literally, you could drive this truck anywhere. It's got a 4L80E transmission on it, so it has overdrive, so you can drive it down the highway. And this thing drives like a dream. It has a 4 9-inch rear end in the back with ladder bar suspension, coilover front suspension with A-arms in the front. And when we're done here, it's going to go from here. My customer's got it lined up with his paint guy, and it's going to go get painted. And then also too, my friend Matt Bell from Redline Motorsports is going to do the final tune on it right when we're done here. But right now, it's got a base tune in it. It only has spring pressure on the wastegate, so it's only gonna have like 5 pounds, but this thing is rowdy with just 5 pounds boost. And then ultimately we got a CO2 bottle that will control the wastegates, and this will be tuned for about 20 pounds of boost. And this thing is going to be insane on the street with 20 pounds of boost. But anyways, it was a complete build. This is for Nathan Lee. He's from out of state. We built this truck for him, and he pretty much gave us full reign on the build. You know, we talked with him, and he kind of guided us what he was looking for, but he just let us roll with the build, and this is how it turned out, man, which I think it turned out real nice. So yeah, man, this is a pretty cool truck, total streetable. I mean, drive it anywhere, drive it down the highway, and we're going to take it for a drive here and kind of show you, even with only on spring pressure on the wastegates, how rowdy this thing is. But we'll take it for a ride here and show you. But that's it, man. 1981 Chevy step-side square body truck. Pretty cool build, and we're going to show you what it can do here in a minute. Okay, everyone, that's it, man. That's a wrap for this 1981 square body Chevy truck, man. I hope you guys liked the video. Again, we built this truck from the headlights to taillights, man, the whole deal, engine and all. But yeah, man, as you saw in the video, I mean, it spun these 19-inch wide tires like absolutely nothing. I mean, man, you could roll like 30 miles an hour, roll into it, and this thing would just start smoking the tires, and that's only with 5 pounds of boost. But things gonna be sick, man, when it's full tilt. But yeah, man, that's it for this truck. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and catch up on us with the next video, because we got another one we're doing right now in the works. So stay tuned.